Hey guys, we're back with another, part 2 of Bird on Our Roof. I don't know, but that bird that we had, he's now gone. And it's the same day. Like 3 minutes ago, he was here. Let me go get more view. This is our driveway that we come in every night. Let's go. Let's see if someone's back. This is the same place where we saw the last one. Is there one up there? I can't see. Can't see. Let me go check. See him? I don't know if you could see him or not, but please tell me in the comments if you can see him. Now I'm scared there's a bird watching me. Holy crap. I'm so scared there's a bird freaking watching. So scared. I'm gonna have to look at something. I'm gonna go look more around my house and see if he's here. Let's go. Okay. Let me open the gate. Frick. God. Wait. See that? Holy crap. I don't think I like this. Not think I like this at all. Help. Oh God, it's just a red bird. Or I don't know what the name. I forgot. I actually got that on camera. That's nice. What time of the day is it? Is it really turning nighttime? Or is it... What time is it? Oh, God. Wait, I haven't checked in here. I think I just saw something. If I find him, I'm going to tell him something. Trying to find the man. Are you leaving? I'm going to have to upload this later. I'm going to have to edit this and upload it. Sure, firefly. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, we have nothing. We've seen nothing so far. We have seen nothing. I'm gonna upload this soon. This is gonna be really scary. If I find something in the editing, I'm scared.